Here are the answers for day 4. You plan to borrow $220,000 to purchase a home. That money that you borrow is called your mortgage. You obtain a 15-year fixed-rate mortgage with this interest rate. The $220,000 is your principal, so the value of P. The 15-year rate is the number of years that you're going to pay back the loan for, so that's T equals 15. And the interest rate, 6.5%, means that R is equal to 0.065. Here is the formula that finds the total amount of interest that you've paid back to the company that you borrowed from. So it's a matter of putting substitutions in. So the letter P is 220,000. That gets multiplied to this very large expression inside the parentheses. In the top, it's R times T, so 0.065 times 15. Down at the bottom, it's 1 minus, and then in these parentheses, it's 1 over 1 plus, and in place of letter R is 0.065. The exponent on this is 12 times T, so that's 12 times 15. Afterwards, there's a subtract 1. And then the parentheses is closed up. We have every number filled in where it goes. At this point, you have to be very careful using your calculator to properly use parentheses to get things into the proper position. You have to use more parentheses than what you're actually showing here. For instance, your calculator would need to know that this whole thing here is a denominator under this division. So when you're typing with the calculator, you're going to have to put parentheses around that piece as well. And inside this part right here, your calculator needs to know that these get added together to become the denominator on the 1. So when you're typing, you have to put that in parentheses as well. So you can see that there's going to be a lot of nested parentheses when you're using your calculator. The result, when I type this in, is $124,958.51. Borrowing $220,000 from a company and paying it back over a 15-year period, paying back every month for 15 years at this interest rate, means that we're paying $124,958.51 in interest. Now question B, so then how much total money did you pay for your home? The total cost of your home is the principal plus the interest. So we need to take the $220,000 that you borrowed and add the $124,958.51. That means that our home cost us $344,958.51. Notice that the total interest paid on the loan is approximately half of the amount of money you borrowed. And that is a very realistic situation. The numbers that I selected for this problem, the 15-year loan, the 6.5% interest rate, those are real numbers that you would use if you were buying a house.